County in north central Illinois, west central King County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Malta, or 7 miles southwest of Sycamore, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sycamore, Genoa, DeKalb, Cortland, Maple Park, Malta, and Virgil. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This